Hello student, good evening everyone. Today we will study a very important theorem that is written here. Side property of a triangle. In my previous video, you can watch the video. There is given the details of triangle, that is the definition of triangle, the classification of triangle, and in the previous video we have discussed about angle sum property, and today we will discuss the very important property, that is side property of a triangle. Now let's go to the statement first. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. It means in a triangle we know that there are three sides. So if you take any two sides, okay, so I'm giving here with an example. Suppose this is the triangle ABC. Now if you take any two length like AB and BC, and add the length of these two sides, then the value you get, that will always be greater than the remaining side, that is AC remaining here. This is the property. Again I am repeating, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. That is the theorem. Now we will do some application of this theorem. See question number 1. This is a given triangle XYZ where the side of two that is XY and YZ is given. The length of XY 6 cm and the length of YZ 7 cm. So the length of XZ can be, that is this remaining length can be 12 cm, 13 cm, 14 cm, 15 cm. So can you tell me what will be the answer? If you know, then comment down. I'm explaining. See, we know from the side property that the sum of these two sides always will be greater than the third side. So if you add 6 plus 7, it will be 13 centimeter. Now we have to check the option. First option 12 centimeter. Second option 13 centimeter. This is not possible, as we know that the sum must be greater. But here 13 equal, so this is not possible. 3. 14 centimeter. Is this possible? Again, this becomes greater than the sum. So this is also not possible. 4. Same 15 centimeter, which is greater than 13 centimeter. So this is also not possible. So only the option that can be our answer is 12 centimeter, because this is less than 13 centimeter. So this can be the answer. See next question, question number 2. Can you construct a triangle with 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter sides? That is one triangle. Can you draw these types of triangle where the sides are given with this length 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 8 centimeter? So here again you have to do the math by using side property. But what is the process? See, we have to check three conditions here. One by one we will check. First take the two sides and sum it. 5 plus 3, that is 8. Now, is it greater than the third side or remaining side? This is 8 centimeter. So, here the condition does not match. As it is equal to 8, so this was not our condition. So, here you can say that we cannot construct the triangle. Suppose, if you take these two, that is 3 plus 8, last two, then it will be 11. This is greater than 5. So this condition matched. Now if you take the remaining two, means 8 plus 5, that is this one and this one, it will be 13, that is again greater than 3. So also this condition matched. But only one condition does not match. That's why we cannot construct this triangle. I'm showing here again. Remaining two sides, that is 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So this does not hold. Okay, today's class is up to this. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, comment and share it in your social media account. And please keep supporting me and thank you.